to the Sam Ellis Live Office Party.
Hello. This is Sam Ellis with Share to Scale and storytelling slam session. I look forward to seeing you in the slam session. If you haven't started slamming yet, definitely you want to do that. But today I want to talk a little bit about marketing. And this is just to share with you why I've been very successful in business and marketing and branding in the last 20-something years. And it's not to brag or anything, this is information, this is just a discussion, just to share with you, my friend, of what I'm doing and what the companies that I've been a part of, that I've created and grown and moved on from, have had so much success, and why Share to Scale is going to have that type of success as well. And we're just launching. This is June the 22nd, and we're just now starting to really share the platform. I'm still doing some building in the background, some marketing in the background, but I've created a platform. It's done. I'm here in my studio here in Louisville, Kentucky, and the asphalt company is right next door. You might hear a little rumbling with our trucks and stuff like that. But I enjoy being able to do videos and just be myself and have a discussion, and also be able to share valuable content along the way to maybe help persuade you to join us, to join Share to Scale, to join the different types of training that we are going to have to offer, to look at our peer-to-peer community, where we're going to be doing some amazing things. That peer-to-peer community is what's going to really separate the ones who truly want to succeed in business and investing and scale your business, and those who are just thinking about it and are just getting started. And that's okay. Wherever you are in life is okay. We're going to meet you where you are, okay? And so what I want to talk about today is a very important own marketing that we own and that we use to help scale and grow our business. And it's been working for us for many years, and it's still working today. And it's going to help me market and promote your slam session in a way that people are going to be wanting to do business with you. That's my goal. My goal is for people to come and want to do business with me, Sam Ellis, and then Sam Ellis promote your story so people are going to want to do business with you. So actually, I'm doing the work. After you come in and you do your part, you slam your business, and then it's my job is to get your name out there. This is one of the marketing tools that you can have in your toolbox to grow and scale your business. So it's important. So here, email marketing. Email marketing, which is sending both content and marketing message versus internet, right? Or email, is central for our marketing, because people have given you the email address, right? They have given you the email address, and they have given you permission to share content with you. That's the most important thing about email. They have opted in to some type of marketing that you're doing. They opted into your opt-in page, which we have all over the internet, all over different social media channels that we have. And people, videos that they might see, and they click a link and they fill out information, their name, the email, and even sometimes we even ask for their phone number. And they opt in to want to know more about what we're doing. And so then we start receiving from time to time information from us. The goal of email marketing can include one, acquiring new customers, right? Important that we get more people to opt in so they can be able to join our community, so they can see what we're doing in our community. They give them that wow factor. They like, man, I want to be a part of that. Persuading current customers to buy something else. So the 5,000 plus emails that I have, I get to blast my offer to those customers to get them to buy something else. And equally important, developing an enhanced relationship with your customer and encouraging their loyalty to you. That's so important. Your product and your brand. So they can become sort of like an ambassador or someone that's going to refer you to other people. That's simply amazing. And this was some research that was done when I was really getting involved with marketing in 2012. Shows that 77% of consumers said that email was their preferred channel to receive permission-based marketing. And this was in 2012. Only 6% prefer such message to come versus social media. Of course, that has changed. According to Direct Marketing Association, the return on investment for email marketing is about $40 for every $1 invested. So remember that. So I've done some research here for 2023, and one of the things it mentions says 22%. In 2022 was an interesting year, revealing the start of challenges that are expected to continue through 2023. Among these challenges are war, global inflation, continued threat of recession deep into 2023. And we see that today. For marketers, increased costs of digital advertisement with lower performance than previous years. How about that? It also mentioned how the cost per click has increased over 108%. And while there's been an 89% rise in the cost of Facebook ads, that is amazing. And who can afford it? Young, small businesses are having a hard time affording advertisement. And you know, if you listen to some of my videos, you know, I've said it many, many times, you can't afford not to advertise. You have to advertise. As you advertise, your budget increases, your income increases. So you have to advertise. And so that's where we come in at as well. We do a co-op. When you come in, we're going to take a percentage of our income that we know that we need to invest in advertising because we want this community to grow. We want this community to grow. It has to be a win-win for you and for us, share the scale, in order for this platform to prosper and become a generational business, right? And so there's some other numbers that I wanted to share with you, which was amazing. Let me find it real quick. Okay, for our new analysts, we looked at over 17 billion emails, 107 million SMS, and 207 million well-pushed messages sent by our organization. In August, we also analyze the performance of all three channels, look ahead and what brands can expect on 2023. But here's the thing, when it comes to own marketing that you own, the marketing channels that you own, I'm gonna do a course on that too, on the different type of channels. Email remains the biggest fish in the pond. Let me repeat that. When it comes to own marketing channels, email remains the biggest fish in the pond. It's not only the most popular channel, it's also the most effective, generating a return on investment of $36 for every $1. Wow. Moreover, a comprehensive analysis of billions of email campaigns conducted through Omnicent found that in 2022, US-based Omnicent customers experienced a remarkable email return on investment of $72 for every single $1 spent, further emphasizing the email value and efficiency. So you see why we use email marketing as part of our tool in our marketing toolbox? It's simply amazing. Advantages. Email goes directly to your customer, better than them having to come to you, right? So that's why in the past I've mentioned to a lot of people that people come to me. I don't have to go and chase people. You know, I'm gonna do some calls because I'm launching this new business. So I'm gonna call some of the customers that I know that like me and trust me. But for the most part, people are gonna come to me and call me, or they're gonna go to one of my pages and click on a link and join. I don't have to call them. That's the power of marketing. Permission-based marketing, which means you are reaching out to a warmer audience than you would get versus advertising. So what we do is that we put out videos, the slams sessions that you all do, it's live. People can feel the energy, they can see the excitement. They can see the mistakes that you make and that you're still enjoying yourself. Those are kind of videos we want to put out. It's called video content marketing. And so what it's going to do is going to draw people to us, right? It's a warmer audience because they want to know, well, what in the world are they doing? I want some of that. Email is constantly available. In other words, someone can read and reread your email minutes after you put it, even days. I mean, I put emails in a certain category so I can go back and look at it later. It allows you to target specific segments of your customers and personalize your message to them. So I can, when you come in to Share at the Scale, I put a tag in there where I want to put you at. So later on, when I want to advertise to you, I can advertise. And so I have a tag for customers. I have a tag for prospects, right? I have a tag for somebody who buy the slam session. I have a tag for somebody who buy the storytelling market launch training program. I have a tag for the elite customers who come in and pay the $95 a month to be mentored by me personally and be a part of our community, where we're going to be talking about all types of things in investing and what we need to do with the money that we make so we can grow and scale our business. Amazing. You can use data to determine the effectiveness of every aspect of your email campaign. So analytics, And if you want to learn what the tool that I use, the Kajabi, you can find it in the links. You can find it in any of my YouTube videos, in some of my landing pages, or if you want to just send me a message at samellis1989 at gmail.com, I'll send you the link. And yes, we get paid a commission for referring you to Kajabi. And we'd be more than happy to do that. As a matter of fact, we would love to show you how it works with us as well and how it's changed our business forever. It's the best tool that we ever purchased, and we've been using it for over 12 years, even with our asphalt company. And every product, every company that I create now, Kajabi is going to be a part of that. And I'll share it with you as well. So you just click the link and then you talk to us, and one of our team members or myself will walk you through it and really help you to get started right with Kajabi. It's amazing. Used to spend money on all types of different programs to get to one thing, and Kajabi does everything all in one. No matter what it is that you want to do. You want to do a podcast, YouTube, you want to do live shows, everything, landing pages, squeeze pages, all kinds of stuff. Is simply amazing. So to wrap this up, is that I hope that I've convinced you that email marketing is amazing, and it's part of our marketing, our own marketing, where we own. And it has truly helped us to grow and scale our business. And then we're going to duplicate it here in Share to Scale to help not only us grow and scale, but also to help you grow and scale. So if you haven't joined our family, click the link below, look through our content, find out where you want to start at, and I'll see you on the other side of Share to Scale.
Mid-tempo production.